Namaste, my friends. Welcome to a gentle morning yoga stretch for beginners. We will begin right away in Child's Pose, Balasana. Bring your big toes together. You can also keep your knees together or separate them as much as you want to. Then slowly sit back on your heels. Walk your hands towards the front of your yoga mat. Lower your upper body down and place your forehead on the ground. Then take a nice deep cleansing breath in and out through your nose. Then lift the base of your palms up so you're resting on your fingertips and really stretch out your whole back. Stretching out your shoulders, breathing deeply in and out through your nose. And then you can lower the base of your palms down. Keep your focus on your breath and the sensations in your body. As you breathe in, notice your body expand. As you breathe out, notice your body relax. We're going to add a side bend. So bring your upper body a little bit up. Then walk your hands to your right side. Keep grounding down through both sitting bones and then place your left hand on top of your right hand. And you'll feel a nice stretch in your left side body. Stay here for a few deep breaths, gently allowing your body to go a little bit deeper into your stretch with each exhale. And then on your next inhale, switching sides. So walk yourself a little bit up. Walk your hands to your left side, place your right hand on top of your left, and keep grounding down through your sitting bones, so don't lift up your right sitting bone. This way you'll really enjoy a good side body stretch on your right side. Keep your breath smooth, even, and steady. On your next inhale, walk your hands back to center. And then just take a moment to neutralize. Rest your forehead on the ground. And you're welcome to bend your elbows. Place your palms together and then lift your palms up towards the sky. It's a nice way to stretch your shoulders, and you'll feel this in your armpits. And then lower your palms down and slowly come on all fours with your knees directly under your hips, wrists directly under your shoulders. Fan out your fingers. As you inhale, drop your belly, lift your chin, look forward for cow pose. Exhale, round your spine, chin to your chest for cat pose. Keep going. Inhale, arch your spine, open your chest. Exhale, hollow out your belly, lower your head down. Inhale to arch your spine, open across your collarbones, look forward. And exhale, round and contract. Push the earth away. So keep going in your cat-cow pose exercise. Go as fast or as slow as you want. This is a really nice way to warm up your spine. And also gently stretch out your abs, your internal organs. And then slowly come to neutral spine. And bring the crown of your head down towards the ground. For a gentle neck stretch, take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently bring your right ear towards your right shoulder. Release any tension with an exhale. Inhale, drop your chin to your chest and then roll your left ear to your left shoulder. Take a deep breath. Nice, and then slowly release. Bring your head back to center. Now take a deep breath in. As you exhale, look over your right shoulder, so shift your weight a little bit over towards your left side. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, look over your left shoulder, shifting your weight towards the right. Take a long, slow, deep breath. Then inhale, come back to center. For a really nice feel-good side body stretch, place your hands one step forward. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, drop your hips to the right. Look over your left shoulder. Take a few deep breaths. Switching sides. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, gently drop your hips towards your left. So your right and your left sides are two different worlds. One side might feel a little bit more flexible or stiffer. Totally normal. Remember to breathe, don't hold your breath, and adjust wherever you need to. Then as you inhale, come back to center, back on all fours, and exhale. Come and take a seat, cross-legged position, crossing your legs at your shins. As you inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, twist your chest to the right, left hand on your right knee, right hand next to your right hip on your mat. Inhale to lengthen your spine. Exhale, twist a little bit further to your right. Look over your right shoulder. Then inhale, come back to center. Exhale, twist from above the waist to your left. Right hand on your left knee, left hand next to your left hip on the mat. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, twist a little bit deeper. And as you inhale, come back to center. Exhale, lower your arms down and let's seal our practice together with a deep breath in. Circle your arms up. Gather all the love, light, and positive energy into your whole being. Deep breath out. Unite your palms and draw your hands down in prayer position in front of your heart. Take one more deep cleansing breath and notice how you feel. Thank yourself for taking this time to practice yoga, to stretch, take care of your health and well-being. May this practice be a blessing to you. And thank you so much for practicing with me. From my heart to yours. Thank you so much for watching. Start your day feeling blissful with a free Blissful Morning Guide. Get yours by clicking the first link below in the description box. Just enter your first name and email and I'll send it to you right away. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for free yoga and meditation videos every Tuesday. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and let me know what your favorite part was and how this video went for you. And I look forward to seeing you soon again. Bye for now.